If you're planning to buy a second-hand laptop, here are 3 laptop tips you don't want to miss. So tara, let's get started. First thing to do is to check the laptop specifications. Siguraduhin mo na yung bibilhin mong laptop serves its basic purpose. What do we mean by basic purpose? Alamin mo yung processor, the RAM, the storage, graphics card, and iba pang specs ng laptop mo. For you to check it out, pumunta ka lang sa search bar ng laptop mo, then type about your PC, then makikita mo na dito kung tama ba ang laptop specs na sinasabi ni seller at ang nakalagay sa laptop mo. Second is to check its physical condition, sa exterior, the hinges, the ports like the USB, the HDMI, the audio jack, the keyboard, the keypad, the touchpad, the screen, the charger. Make sure na lahat ng physical condition na bibilhin mo laptop ay walang problema at all. Walang gasgas, walang basag or sira because ikaw pa ang lugi dyan. And lastly is to check its functionality. Syempre, try mo if gumagana yung mga software naka-installed na mismo sa laptop mo like the webcam, the speakers, the microphone, the fingerprint scanner if meron man, and try to power it on or off. At the same time, verify the OS or the operating system ng laptop mo kung updated ba ito. So if you want more of these, make sure to follow, comment, and react.